Shut the door. Alright, we're having a tour here soon. I wonder where he is. What is this? It's a restaurant that shows how they kill the cows. It's a farm. Ugh! Oh, you alright? My blood tastes so good, guys. So you came for this class of how to kill a cow. This is how you kill cow. Moo! That's disgusting. Why are you doing that? How heartless can you be? Shut up, girl. What are you doing to her? Stomp on you. There you go, he's dead. Taste of his blood. Get your dumb. Run away. I tricked you. Oh, my hand. Help me. What are you doing to him? Get away. Stop it, Texas Chainsaw. Get off of my brother, you stupid girl. You jerk. Oh, no. The end.